Welcome back, future leaders. In the last episode, we talked about why personal branding is your secret weapon in college. And today, we're getting into something even more exciting, at least for me. And that's figuring out what your core message is. And trust me, this is where most people mess up, and I'm going to make sure that you nail it. Your core message isn't about what you just say, it's who you are and what you stand for. My personal core message that has been guiding me ever since 2018 is my mission is to prepare the mindset, the community around me to overcome adversity through preparation, education, and a self-disciplined work ethic. Now, if you were to scroll through my content on all my social media platforms, listen to my podcast, read my books, hopefully you would see my core message in everything that I have produced. Think about it like this. If your personal brand were a movie, what would the trailer say about you? So let's go ahead and break that question down so we can help you define your core message. First, your unique story. Your unique story is going to be that compelling narrative that highlights your distinct experiences, your skills, your passions, your values, and truly what sets you apart from others within your field. This is going to allow you to authentically connect with your audience, share your personal branding journey, and exactly everything that you do. Now, I want to give you a couple of questions to help you figure out what your unique story is. What have you overcome? What are you passionate about? What perspective makes you different? What perspectives that you have are different? The next thing is your target audience. Your target audience is going to be a specific group of people that you want to reach with your message and your image. This is typically going to consist of potential employers, clients, collaborators, community members, all who share the same interests as you or you'll be able to benefit from. Or people that you can share your skills or expertise with. Some questions that you want to ask yourself to figure out who your target audience is. Who do you want to connect with? All right, that's the first one. What problems can you solve? And lastly, where do these people hang out online? That question is going to be really important for the next video. And lastly, your value proposition. This is going to be a concise statement that highlights the unique skills, the experience, and the benefits that you have to offer your target audience. So here's an example of mine. I empower ambitious professionals and entrepreneurs to fast track their success through proven digital marketing strategies, personal branding expertise, and an actionable mindset coaching that transforms into potential measurable results. And here's an example of a value proposition that you may have as a student. I'm a business administration student with a minor in digital arts. I help emerging brands stand out in crowded markets by creating compelling narratives and data-driven marketing strategy. My proven track record of growing 3 campus organizations' social media presence by 200% demonstrates my ability to blend creative thinking and business acumen. Now, here's some questions that you can ask yourself to start formulating this value proposition statement. All right. What skills are you currently developing right now? How are you different from other people in your field? And what results have you helped others achieve? And now we have come to my favorite part of the video, and it's time to take action on everything that we just learned. So first thing is, I need you to take out your phone right now and answer these 3 questions. The first one is, what are 3 things that you are known the most for amongst your friends? The second, what topic can you talk about for hours? And third, what problem do you solve in your industry? Before you watch the next video of this series, I want you to craft your core message using this formula, all right? I help specific group to achieve the specific result through your unique approach, all right? So use the questions that we just spoke about above to help you craft that message right there. In our third video of this series, we're going to be diving into building your digital presence and where to show up. And lastly, how to make an impact. Let me know in the comments what you found the most valuable in this video. Remember, your personal brand isn't about pretending to be someone else. It's about strategically showcasing the best version of yourself.